Hello everyone, welcome to the first Free Info Friday of 2020. I hope you all had a lovely new year. So today I am going to touch on some more workers' comp things, some basic things that you should know if you're injured at work. So to be eligible for workers' comp, you need to have been injured during the course of your employment. So this means it doesn't matter who was negligent or whether it was your fault or your employer's fault. It just matters that you got injured during the course of your employment. You were doing something that is required by your job or is directly related to your employment. So this can include going to work, on your way from work. Some work parties could be included, especially if they're mandatory. Anything that has to do with your employment, if you get injured during it, then you could be eligible for workers' compensation. But that doesn't mean that if you're goofing off, and you get injured, then you could be eligible. The employer does have some defenses they can use. So, for example, horseplay is a defense. If you were throwing things or messing around and you were doing things that you're not supposed to be doing in your job, then that's a defense that your employer can raise and potentially bar you from having a workers' comp claim. So it all depends on your situation. Another thing I wanted to make you all aware of is that when you bring a workers' comp claim, you're not directly suing your employer. That's what a lot of people think. You're actually bringing a claim with your employer's workers' compensation insurance company. So think of it like an auto accident. If you get hurt while you're in your car, you file a claim through your insurance. So workers' comp is similar in that way. Your employer has insurance, and so you're filing a claim with their insurance. If you receive a lump settlement, it's going to be your employer's insurance paying it. So you're not directly suing your employer. You're suing their insurance, or you're filing a claim with their insurance. But that doesn't mean that it could potentially make your employment a little awkward or just uncomfortable. A lot of clients see kind of their work relationship maybe change a little bit after they file a claim. Maybe people aren't as pleasant to them and things of that nature. So that's something to be aware that could happen, although your employer can't technically, fire you or retaliate against you from filing a workers' compensation claim. Another important thing to keep in mind is you have 2 years from the date of your injury to file a claim with the Workers' Compensation Board. So you have a 2-year statute of limitation. Now, I know some clients get confused with this because they'll start their own claim with their employer's insurance company, but they haven't filed with the board. So that's something I always make sure my clients do right away when they come to me. You need to file with the Workers' Compensation Board, not only file a claim with your employer's workers' compensation insurance. So it's kind of two different filings that you need to do, so to speak. So anyway, those were just some little tidbits I wanted to share with you guys today. If you have any other questions, if you have a topic you would like me to discuss, please reach out and let me know. You can comment below. Keep an eye out for all my videos. I post every Friday, and I do have my website up finally, so check that out. It's kekeliclaw.com. It's a very nice website. So yeah, I look forward to working with you all, and have a great weekend.